Guys, wake up. Somebody's gonna get traded today. Well, I don't need to be afraid because I'm not getting traded. What makes you think you're not getting traded, Orbeez Ball? She doesn't really use you, and I think that she could get a lot out of you, so she's totally gonna trade you. Oh yeah? Well, I think it's gonna be Mochi. She never uses him. You guys think it's gonna be me? I think it is too. She's totally gonna trade me. She never uses me. Don't say that, Mochi. It's not gonna be you. It's gonna be Orbeez Ball. I know for a fact it's not gonna be me or Water Timer though, because she loves us and she only just got us. And she uses me for all her TikToks. Yeah, and she loves me because I'm so rare and I was really expensive, so there's no way she's trading me. Ugh, guys, we just shut up. She's not trading me. She loves me so... Guys, she's coming. Who should I trade today? I think I'll trade my Poppet. I already have a lot and I think I can get a lot out of this. Trading Poppet, going once, going twice. Like for part 2.